What is up guys, Finn here, and today we got a little bit different of a video. So I had a bunch of shoes come in from StockX all at the same time, and I was like, perfect time for a video, because there really hasn't been much car stuff to record, and you know how the world is, so every time I get even somewhat of a video to make, I try to make it. So let's jump on into this and see what shoes I got. Let's get to unboxing these. I'm going to go in the order of least excited to most excited to receive. So first up, we have a pair that I actually tried to order a while ago, and something happened with the order right when they dropped. I'm guessing that there wasn't enough that came in. It's the Pine Greens. Really cool shoe. Comes with the red laces. Definitely won't be putting them on. I'm not a huge fan of them. Super excited to get these. They've got the different style leathers. It's a little odd, but you can't really tell unless you're really close up on them. So yeah, pretty decent shoe. A lot of people ended up getting them. When I originally ordered them on StockX, they never came in, so I tried again and I got them. Alright, up next is the Air Jordan light smoky gray. Very pretty shoe. Saw the line. That's the only part that I don't really like is the tag on the tongue, but the way I wear these with jeans, you won't really be able to see it. Really nice shoe. Consistent leather all over. I wish they would have gone with a different print on here, but not too bad. Sole's gonna get really dirty, but this will be a rare shoe to wear. I won't wear it all the time. So yeah. Thought these would be a nice little neutral shoe to go with a lot of stuff. The next one. Up next in the box, that looks like it went to battle and back. We have the red suedes. So I actually ordered these a while ago to match the wrap of my car. That's a very pretty shoe. I overpaid a little bit, but I'm really excited to wear these. They're suede all over. Super soft feeling. Really, really like these. Not a huge fan of how the ends are right here, but what can you do? Beautiful shoe. Really excited to wear these. Alright, you guys. Last but not least, the ones I'm most excited about because I am a Yeezy fan, the new Naturals. So I was really happy with these when they came in. As you can see, they've got the new lace style. Pretty sick. Overall, a very neutral tone, and it's going to go with a lot of stuff. I have the all whites and a couple of the other white color variations, and I'm actually pretty excited with the way these are going to match up with a lot of my outfits. So probably one of my favorite whiter toned Yeezy I now have.